Hey guys, so a lot of people are having this issue and they're wondering how to turn off the T-Mobile Edge. Now it's very easy. This person was also really trying. They tried various methods, but they didn't actually manage. So what you need to do, let me show you. So you just go ahead and dial this star hash 4636 hash star, and then choose phone info, set to WCDMA only. Okay, you won't connect to the LTE this way, but it'll basically disable the fallback to Edge. And what they also suggested is to change your APN settings to use the epc.tmobile.com APN instead of the fast.tmobile.com if you're going to force WCDMA. Okay, and otherwise, it was really that easy and simple, and actually, a lot of people found help from this method. So you know this works, okay? So if you found this helpful, smash that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions.